Yo, what up? This is your main man Mansa Musa. Mansa Musa Go Recovery is about to get down.
Oye, Miguel, déjame chuparte el candy. Solo quiero ver tu pimpante. Solo quiero ver tu pimpante. Déjame chuparte el candy. Chica mujer más, ¿dónde tú estás más? Chica mujer.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to say hello to everybody. And I want to wish you a happy new year, okay? 2019, beautiful, everything is going smooth. Alright, to all my followers, right? We've been working with this Go Recovery stuff, okay? I believe that I already covered a lot of material, which include how to collect your gold material, where to collect your gold material, how to make your nitric acid, how to make oxygen peroxide 30% food grade for gold recovery, how to get your gold scrap out of the motherboard or whatever, which parts got the gold and all that. So I believe that, we've been working very nice and smooth and easy. I believe that I've been very clear, so like that everybody can understand me. I know I got a little accent, but that's okay. Everything is not pink color in the life, so maybe I got a bad accent, but I'm a pretty boy. So I'm just kidding. So right now, I believe that it's time for our gold melter. Okay. So right now, we're gonna be mixing our plaster. So I'm gonna be using 4 cups of plaster and 2 cups of water. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do right now. Do it like a pro. Do it like a pro. Right? Now, pour it in, boy. Pour it in. Okay, right now I'm gonna be removing the. I remove the cylinder. Make sure to get it kind of wet before you put it there. I put some W240, so like that anything stick on it, and it's pretty easy to take it out before it's dry up completely. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead with the second step, in which instead of I'm gonna use the same cylinder, but instead of put it like that, I'm gonna go ahead and put it like that. Okay, that's how it is, so keep shaping them up, shape it up real nice, shape it up, Hey guys, you're watching Mansa Musa Go Recovery, remember that. And like I say, my man, we know what we're doing, okay? So I'm gonna be using this plastic, which I get them from a pie mold. Okay, so remember to shake it up a little bit. Alright, and I'm gonna be putting these metal things. You do it however you like it. So like that, it will prevent for my cap crack once start getting the heat, high temperature heat. Okay, so very simple process. Alright, so this will give strength to your cap. Alright, now I'm going to be removing the little cylinder. Okay, looking beautiful. Alright, we're gonna start cutting right here. Looking beautiful, looking beautiful. Alright, we're gonna be cutting the edges real nice, you know, all the way around. We're gonna cut the edges. Alright, this one is done. Okay, with the edges like right here, what we're gonna be doing is just grab a scissors, you know, very nice, and cut it up to give them a good termination. All you need to do is get some type of sandpaper, you know, and just scrub it, you know, scrub it real nice with the sandpaper until get it nice and even. You can also use this one later on, you know, make it real nice and even. And okay, you just use common sense, your imagination, you know. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the very last part, in which I'm gonna go ahead and customize it, you know, something custom made, in which I'm gonna put some symbols, alchemia symbols, you know. So, you know, this is a custom made job, you know what I'm talking about. So that's the way we do, you know what I mean. So you wanna learn a little bit more about it and stuff like that, you know what I mean. All you gotta do is stay tuned, keep watching Mansa Musa, and you know how we do. This is how it's gonna be looking, you know. Boom. Very beautiful, you know, very beautiful. So, you know, guys, thanks for watching Mansa Musa. I hope you guys like the video. Stay tuned, a lot of good things are coming. This is too much with a lot, and I'm gonna be making out of Mansa Musa Gold Recovery something out of the limits. So, love, wisdom, and knowledge. Peace.
Conmigo y a mis sentimientos, como lo siento de ver.